Understanding bare rootstock in English. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into a fascinating phrase in the English language, bare rootstock. This term is particularly interesting and important, especially for those of you interested in gardening or botany. Let's unravel its meaning together. Bare rootstock refers to plants that are sold with their roots exposed, rather than planted in soil. This is common for many types of trees and shrubs. These plants are usually dormant, meaning they're not actively growing at the time of sale. Understanding this term is essential for anyone involved in planting or gardening. Choosing bare rootstock has several advantages. 1. Cost-effective. They are often less expensive than plants sold in containers. 2. Easier transportation. Without soil, they are lighter and easier to transport. 3. Healthy roots. It allows you to inspect the roots directly, ensuring the plant's health. Planting bare rootstock involves a few key steps. 1. Preparation. Soak the roots in water before planting. 2. Planting depth. Ensure the planting hole is deep enough to accommodate the roots. 3. Care. Provide adequate water and care during the initial growth period. There are a few misconceptions about bare rootstock. Fragility. People often think they are more fragile, but with proper care, they can thrive. Limited variety. In reality, there's a wide variety of plants available as bare rootstock. I hope this video has given you a clear understanding of what bare rootstock is and why it's a valuable option for gardeners and plant enthusiasts. Remember, the key to successful planting is understanding and proper care. Happy gardening, and see you in our next English learning adventure.